So we're going to focus on that left side here, and then she had a little bit of that tension up here in the neck. But then the other thing that I was feeling, she's holding a lot of tension throughout her traps as well. So we're going to check on that. So now what I want to do, we want to come down and we want to check on her leg length here. So when we check on her leg length, as you can tell, that left leg, when I push in, that left foot draws shorter. So we want to make sure, after we do those adjustments, we want to make sure we want to get those balanced out.